Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the detergent metering control in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, and a chain. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the control panel assembly. Next, insert a putty knife under the front corners of the control panel housing to release the clips securing the housing. Disconnect the user interface control wire connector so you can set the control panel assembly aside. Unthread the mounting screw securing the detergent metering control to the main top. Disconnect the wire connector from the control, then depress the tabs to push the wire connector through the slot in the main top. Now unthread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. As well as the screw securing the access plate. Remove the plate. Now pull the main top forward, lift up, and align it on the screw brackets. Support the main top with the chain. Rotate the detergent metering control clockwise to release it from the main top. Then detach the 2 dispenser hoses to fully remove the old component. To install the new detergent metering control, first attach the dispenser hoses to the appropriate ports. Now insert the tabs into the slots in the main top and rotate counterclockwise to lock the control into place. Snap the wire connector into place in the main top. Remove the chain and reposition the washer's main top. Rethread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. Realign the access plate and secure it with the screw. Thread the mounting screw to fully secure the new detergent metering control and connect the wire connector. Reconnect the user interface control wire connector to the main control board. Insert the rear control panel housing clips into the rear slots in the main top first, then snap the front clips into place. Rethread the 2 rear screws to fully secure. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.